In this video, we are going to be starting a vending machine business, and I'm going to do it with $0. Now, you guys might be wondering, how are you going to do that? Well, the key to starting any business is bootstrapping, starting with the bare minimum to get your foot in the door and slowly building up from there. So to begin this company, I'm going to do two things. Number one, come up with a company name and also come up with a list of businesses from hotels to bowling alleys to car dealerships or local banks for us to cold call and ask if they need vending services.
Thanks so much for holding. This is Jeff. How can I help?
Hi, Jeff. My name's Will with Milwaukee Vending Services. I was wondering if you guys have any vending machine service for your location?
We don't. I'll be real honest with you. We don't really have the room.
Okay, totally understand.
I certainly appreciate it. I mean, we've got a fridge in the back for the guys. You know, we're not charging them for stuff. My office is filled with chairs. I wouldn't have the slightest bit of space to even put something if I wanted to.
All right, yeah, no worries whatsoever. I just thought I'd call and reach out if you guys were interested.
No, I certainly do appreciate the phone call.
Of course. Well, thank you so much. You have a great day. Bye. What you guys just witnessed is my first ever cold call for the vending machine business that I just started about 15 minutes ago. When people have a business idea, they genuinely put too much time into the little things like finding the right company name, creating a logo, making a website, or buying the right equipment without marketing their services first. In my opinion, selling your services is the most important step. So I began cold calling more local businesses to sell my services to. I was curious, do you guys have any vending services for your location?
We do not.
Would you guys be interested in one?
We would not because we're a very small facility here.
I'd say probably not, considering we have concessions of our own.
Fortunately, we are not allowed to have vending machines, and we don't really have the room.
No, as of right now, we're fully ready to go for everything, and we wouldn't need any help at this point.
We've got one in our break room right now.
Okay. If you're not happy with the service or if you ever want to change, just keep me in mind, okay?
Absolutely, buddy. Take
All right.
care.
Thank you. Bye. I hate getting called buddy. That's how you know they don't take you serious. And after 25 more minutes of cold calling, we got our first customer.
A1, this is Jake.
Hello, my name's Will with Milwaukee Vending Services. I was just curious if a manager was available.
Sure, you have a second to hold on?
Yes, no problem.
Lance speaking, may I help you?
Hi, Lance. My name's Will with Milwaukee Vending Services. I wanted to check if you guys had vending machine service for your location.
No, if you want to stop in, we can discuss that.
That'd be awesome. When do you have time?
Monday through Friday.
All right. Well, yeah, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Seriously, stop on in. We were just talking about that.
Honestly, I'll come by today if you guys are,
Right.
yeah. All right.
Good.
Bye. Hell yeah, guys. We just got a yes. That's sick. Let's go, baby. I'm about to drive out to go meet up with this auto repair shop owner right now to potentially place a vending machine in his location. Literally on my 25th cold call, I get an answer yes. So I'm about to drive out there, which is roughly 30 minutes from my house, which kind of sucks. But hey, it's my first location. It seems like a pretty good one. And I'm going to try and pitch these guys on a combo machine, which is basically a snack and drink machine in one. That way I don't have to buy two separate machines. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see what they're looking for. And I'll do whatever possible to make this deal happen. 30 minutes of driving later, we arrived. All right, guys, we've officially made it to an auto repair store to pitch them on a vending machine. To be honest with you guys, I have no idea what to expect. The only thing I think we're gonna have a conversation about is what snacks I'm gonna be able to provide, how often I'm gonna be servicing, and number three, if they decide to move forward with the machine, how I'm going to get that into their business. And sometimes the machines are pretty wide. It's gonna be hard to fit through the door. With that said, unfortunately, I'm not going to be filming when I go inside. I just feel like that'll be really hard to do, especially since I'm already trying to convince them on getting a vending machine, but I'll update you guys and tell you how it goes. And after going in the business and giving my best possible Jordan Belfort sales pitch, they accepted. And now that we have the location locked down, it's time to figure some things out in our business, from buying a vending machine to creating vending contracts to setting up a business bank account. First up with the vending machine, we want to do things as cheap as possible, so I browsed Facebook Marketplace and was quickly surprised that combo machines are more expensive than I thought, between the price of $3,000 and $10,000. So I began in the $3,000 price range and started messaging sellers with vending machines for sale. But now it's time to set up a business bank account, and the service we are going to use for this is called Found. Found offers banking services specifically to people who are self-employed. That comes with a free business checking account and MasterCard business debit card, built-in bookkeeping features that are easy to use, along with auto saving and real-time tax estimate tools that will help you in dealing with the IRS. Nobody wants to deal with the surprise tax bill at the end of the year, and I can talk from personal experience. So Found automatically tracks and categorizes your business expenses, along with helps you find write-offs to lessen the burden from the IRS. Having downloaded this app and now using it for our new business, I really like it. It's free to sign up for. They have no credit checks, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden fees like the big banks charge. So I'm super happy to say Found was awesome enough to sponsor this video, and using the top link down below, you can sign up and start using Found for your self-employed ventures today. Now let's figure out how to get some money in this Found account account to buy our first vending machine. And through a process of DoorDash, online survey work, reselling phones, along with time and effort, I successfully turned $0 into $2,500 in a speedrun video coming soon. But going back to the vending machine business, since that's what this video is about, this morning I got a call for a machine I wanted to buy. Is there a day you'd be able to deliver the machine?
Tomorrow will be perfect. Any day we can get you at like 1:30.
Sweet, so it looks like we're buying a vending machine. The machine we're gonna be getting is this one right here. It is an AMS combo machine with drinks and snacks. It's slightly bulky. It might be too big for the location, but we should be good. The price on it is $3,000. It's coming from Illinois. So I called the location to let them know. Hey Jeremy, hate to bother you, but it's Will with the vending machine.
Yeah.
Hey, real quick, I could actually get a machine out there tomorrow. I'm not sure if you guys are open.
No, we're not, unfortunately. We're closed on the weekend.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's completely fine. So Monday would probably be the quickest day that you could get it going.
Yeah, Monday would probably be best.
And now with the machine going on location Monday, the last things we have to do is email a photo of the machine to the business owner, along with finalize the vending contracts, along with create a snack and drink list for what I'm going to be providing. Both of these contracts are nothing too complicated. For the vending agreement, I simply followed the format of some other contracts I found on Google, and for the vending price list, along with what we're going to be providing, I simply took suggestions from the location. But I will leave a link down below to the contract I used, my cold call script, along with my snack list with prices for those of you who are interested. But guys, as you can see by my phone screen, it is currently 7:34 a.m. on Monday, and to get the day started, we are going to go ahead and wire $3,000 to the guy who's bringing the vending machine. This is a little over the $2,500 we made from the speed run, but with a small loan from my other company, we were able to make this happen. I'm not sure if you guys can see behind me, but we just made it to the location for where I'm gonna be putting the vending machine, and I'm about to head inside with the contract for everything, and the people are about to come here with the vending machine in like 20 minutes. I'm excited for this, guys. Hopefully he's chill with it being dropped off today. I did mention it would be early this week. So with that being said, wish me luck. I'm gonna be filming as much about this process as possible. 30 minutes after arriving, the vending machine guys came by.
What's up, brother?
Yeah, good to meet you.
Good to meet you,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm Will. Good to meet you, bro. The delivery guys then began moving furniture out of the way and began taking the vending machine into the location. But this is where things took a dark turn. Thank you, guys. Cool. Looks really good. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, looks good. They know what they're doing.
Come on.
Does that look okay to you?
Yeah, I think it's bigger than I thought.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry about that.
We can push it to the wall. Is that a bigger one?
No, it's just a little bit thicker. That's the thing. Despite emailing a photo of the machine I bought, he was not happy. Does it look okay to you, or? The height and stuff is fine. I think it just comes out a bit far, yeah.
Yeah. I think it's all right. Look good to me. It's not in the way of the walkway.
No, I mean, it's about 3 feet thick. And the exact dimensions of the machine were laid out in the email I sent him. 3 feet by 3 feet wide.
As far as quality, it's a good quality machine.
Yeah, it's okay if I understand from your perspective.
Right, I would love to see, because it doesn't look like it belongs to. I'd like to see it, like, be able to hear, you know what I mean? Not the whole. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I mean,
Alright.
it sound like a.
Yeah, I just have to figure out how to get it back to my house then. Fuck. I just have to think how I'm gonna get this out of here now.
We on time, so how do you want to do it?
This was a super low point, and just as fast as the machine came into the location, it moved out. Damn it. All right.
I don't know if you have anything smaller.
Yeah, probably not, to be honest.
You do find something.
Yeah, probably not for a while, to be honest, man.
You gotta spend a lot of money on this.
Yeah. Well, oh man. And to make things worse, it started pouring rain. Tarp or anything that might help, or?
Yeah, you got a tarp?
Fuck. I don't.
It's a U-Haul right here. They sell them.
They sell tarps?
Yeah, U-Haul.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll get one. Little update, guys. The guy said location's not gonna work. It started raining, so now we have to bring the machine back to my fucking house. I have to get a tarp so that the machine doesn't get damaged. Oh my God, this is a whole bullshit storm. And now the vending machine guys are following me back to my house, where we're gonna drop this machine off in my garage. Absolutely frustrating situation. Like, not how I was hoping this morning was gonna go whatsoever. Failure's just a part of the game. That's all I can say. And in the pouring rain, the vending machine was delivered to my garage. Oh my gosh, is it gonna work? Oh man, holy shit. Anywhere in here works. Well, hopefully the machine's good.
Oh no, it's good.
It's good?
It's good.
Perfect. Oh my gosh.
You got the key, right?
You did give me the key. I have it in my pocket. Yes. Guys, that was not easy. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You can tell I'm completely soaking wet, but the machine is now in the garage. garage. We gotta dry it off a little bit since it got a little wet in the rain. This was a rough morning to say the least. 2 days later, you guys can see the vending machine is still sitting in my garage, but life's about finding a silver lining. I recently learned from that movie yesterday that if you do everything you can, work your hardest, and most importantly, try and stay positive, you have a shot at a silver lining. So no matter how bad things seem right now, in the next episode of this series, we are going to call a bunch more locations to hopefully find a better spot for this vending machine. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a like if you did, and check out the sponsor found down below in the description to set up your business bank account today. I can truly say it's a really awesome product, and be sure to sign up with them since I want to keep working with them in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.